Hello world, my name is Erik Paul Alien Chirkoff, aka Epic World, and this is my CS50 final project, Synchros.
It's Epic World.
Synchros is an intention and synchronicity tracker web application. So the app's purpose is to ground the idea of having intentions and being able to track any perceived related synchronicities. Let me show you how it works. First, a user can create an account. So I'm using Flask and SQLite with password hashing so users have their own private data. After we log in, we've got the dashboard that we land on. So here we see an overview of total intentions, synchronicities, and how many entries have been logged in the last 7 days. Below that, we have a list of recent intentions and recent synchronicities so the user can quickly see what's been active. Let's create a new intention, something like I improve my fitness or I make 100K in one calendar month. Each intention has a title, a script, an optional category, an emotion, and keywords. So when I submit the form, the intention is stored in the SQL database and appears in the active tab as well as it appears on the dashboard. The intention page organizes intentions into two groups. We've got active on the left and fulfilled on the right. When we click on an intention, we see a detail page for each single intention displaying the status, when it was started, and if the intention has been fulfilled. Below that is the full intention script previously entered and a metadata like category, emotion, and keywords. At the bottom, we have a dedicated synchronicity timeline. So every time I log a synchronicity related to this intention, it shows up here in order. So let's log a synchronicity related to the specific intention. For example, maybe I got an unexpected email about potential freelance work. Now the synchronicity appears on the timeline for this intention. Now the analytics page aggregates all synchronicities for the user. So we show the total number of synchronicities, the most common category, and how many distinct days in the last week had at least one entry logged. Below that is a simple timeline where each entry links to its detailed view. And this gives the user a sense of how often they're engaging with the app and what kind of signs show up more frequently. And finally, the visualization board page. This is a lightweight vision board built into the app. So users can create cards with a title and an optional image URL, the picture that represents their goal. So when you drag a card around, the app saves the position in the visualization table using JavaScript and a post request. So it's not just static HTML, it's actually an interactive canvas that remembers where things are placed. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Synchros, a Flask web app for journaling intentions and logging related synchronicities. Under the hood, it's built with Flask, SQLite, Jinja templates, custom CSS, and a bit of JavaScript for interactivity. Synchros is my final project for the CS50 course at Harvard University provided through EDX Online. So thank you to David, thank you to the tech team, thank you world, and thank you for watching. I am Epic World, and this was CS50.